Hello everyone, welcome to this video that is going to be showing you the Calendly Chrome extension that you can use to actually make scheduling meetings so much easier, especially for these one-to-one meetings that are just one-off and maybe you want to give someone availability outside the normal Calendly availability that you have. So before we dive into this, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop us a comment about how you found the video, how you're using Calendly, and what videos you'd like to see in the future. Right then, so diving in. So the Calendly extension you can get on Firefox or you can get it on Chrome. I'll put the link to the Chrome extension in here and to their blog itself, which tells you a little bit more about it. So how you can use this is you first off install it on. So you would first go to, let me get rid of this. Where have we disappeared to? First off, you would go to either Chrome or Firefox. So let's just say we're going to go to Chrome. And it would open up their extension to install. So you can see mine says remove from Chrome. You would obviously put add to Chrome, and then that would add it on. And then mine appears here at the very top right. So I don't know if you can see this. At the very top right here on my extension bar, I've got the Calendly logo. If you can't see that, what you'd have to do is click on the little jigsaw piece and then scroll down till you find it and then press this blue pin here and it will pin it to your extension bar. So now we've got this installed, there's several things that we can do. I'm just going to show you the basics first. So if I click on that Calendly icon now, what it does on the right hand side here, it shows me all my event types. So if I wanted to get a link for it, so I'm talking to somebody on email or on Messenger or anything like that, I want them to book a power hour with me, I can just press copy link and it would have copied the link to the clipboard so that I've got it straight away. I don't need to log into Calendly to get it or anything like that. We can also see this add times to email. So if I clicked on that, we can decide to do some times, but I'm going to show you that in a different way. So don't look at that bit yet. I'm just going to show you that in a different way. You've got this copy single use link. So that when someone uses that link, it will only allow them to book once and they won't be able to book another one. So that's how they use that link there. And then on here, you can press the down menu and you can copy the link to your whole thing, or you can create as well one-off meetings, which I am going to show you again in a moment. You can create new event types and it'll bring you into Calendly to do so. And you can also create meeting polls, which is something that's in beta at the moment. So we're not going to cover that in depth at the moment. And yeah, so several ways that we can actually use this. One of these ways is within our email. So I've just opened up my Gmail here, as we can see. And let's just say you're talking to someone back and forth and they've asked if they can book a meeting in with you. So normally I would probably send someone like the client discussion meeting, but this has got limited availability, obviously depending on what I've set my calendar at. But this client, maybe someone I'm happy to give them some alternative times, like I may want to give them Tuesday and Friday as an availability. So what I can do instead, I would type out my email, like no problem at all. Pick a date that suits you, and we can get this booked in. And then now, I'm just going to put fine and slower. What we can do is at the bottom of my bar here, you can see that I've got this Chrome logo, not Chrome logo, Calendly logo. So if I press on it, I can see these three things that were also up here when we showed you earlier. And I'm going to press one-off meeting. And now what you can do with this one-off meeting, you can actually pick some certain times that you want to access it. So I'm just going to go a few weeks ahead so it's a bit more blank. There we go. A bit further. Let's get a bit further. That's a bit more blank. So you can choose what time span you want. So it may be that I want 30 minutes. It may be that I want 45. So I'm just going to say 30 minutes. And then where it says here what it's going to go on, I'm just going to ignore that. I'm just going to totally ignore what that says because it don't really matter. And then what you would do at the bottom, you would press next. So let me just move my bar along. You'd press next. Oh, no, sorry. I haven't picked my times yet. So you pick your time. So I can say, I want that time. So even though there's something on the calendar, I can override it. And then I could be like, I want this time. And I'm just going to select some random times here like that. And then now what we can do is press next. We can give this a meeting, so I can put meeting with Joe and Laura. We can say what it's going to be, so it's going to be a Zoom call. If we want to add any details in here, we can. So to discuss the next work as per email. We can choose to reserve these times so nobody else can book them while we're letting him book. I'm not going to do that. And then we can press publish meeting. And now there's two ways we could give him times. We can copy this link here and we can use that link. So if I just go to a new window, he would be presented with this and only the times I've just selected. Or I've lost it. No. There we go. We can say add times directly to the email. This is a bit that I like. So if I press copy times and I close this down, within my email now, if I just copy that in, we can see this. So what happens is if he says wants to book 11 a.m., he would click that and it would take him to this link where it's got all the time in and he just puts his details in, done and dusted. And that just makes it so much easier. I mean, obviously, you just press send and then that's it. Off they go. They can choose a time that suits them and it's outside your normal times that you may have been able to offer him, and it's nice and simple. And the good thing is you can do this by using the Calendly extension at the top. You can use it by doing it on email, but you can also do it within Messenger as well. So you can not like Messenger, LinkedIn as well. So if you do have LinkedIn, it works on LinkedIn as well, this for you. So hope that all makes sense. If you do have any questions, please let us know. Don't forget, make sure you like the channel. Make sure you subscribe. It all helps us and it motivates me to keep doing all these videos for you. And if you've got something you want to learn, again, let us know. And if you haven't already, check out the Thrive Business Academy, because the Thrive Business Academy is our membership where we actually have much more videos than this, which go much more in depth, showing step by step how to do the various parts of tech within your business. But not only that, it also we also have a business coach in there, my business partner, Nikki. And if you ever need any help when it comes to the strategy, the ideas, that kind of stuff in your business, then she can help you with that as well. It's like the one-stop shop for business. So 100% check out the thrivebusinessacademy.com. But for now, that is everything, guys. Take care and have a nice day.